Hey, welcome to Jones Garage. This is episode 18. This week we're going to put the small block Chevy mock-up motor in the Falcon. So I'm supposed to be putting this hood on to get the fenders lined up. Well, once I put the hood on, it's going to be harder to get this engine in. So I'm going to put the engine transmission in first, and then I'll put the hood on. Now hopefully I can do this without having to lift the car up, but we'll see. More entertainment for you guys, I guess. Now we're going to start off by installing these energy suspension polyurethane engine mounts. Put one on each side. I also have one for the transmission as well. Now these did not come with hardware. I'm just using some mock-up bolts right now. These will not be what I'm using final assembly. This whole motor is just a mock-up, so. Now let's get this engine off the engine stand so I can get the transmission mounted to it. I don't know if you guys noticed or seen in my reels or anything on Instagram, but I mounted a winch to the front of my engine hoist so I can lift stuff up and down. Makes it a lot easier than jacking this up, lowering it. Makes it way easier. I power the winch with just a little jump pack. Just hook it up to the positive and negative, then use the remote. Get this engine lifted up a little bit. Now I can loosen up the bolts on the engine stand. So as you can see from different reels and shorts and stuff I've been posting, I'm gonna be putting a small block Chevy and a Turbo 350 in this Falcon. This is just a mock-up motor. I'm gonna eventually get a blueprint engine, and I'm gonna buy a different transmission as well. These are just mock-ups, so I can throw them in there. I don't care if I weld around them, grind by them, or I can just beat these things around and not have to care. And I went with these over foam blocks because I got this way cheaper than it would be to buy those foam mock-up blocks or the metal mock-up blocks they got too. I took everything out of them, so they're empty. They're still heavy, but like this thing's got a broken bell housing and it's empty, so I can move these things around real easy. Now that I got these together, it's time to throw them in the car. Well, that didn't work. Try to take the easy way out. Doesn't always work. So this time I'm going to take the transmission off from the motor. I'm going to jack the car up, put the transmission under the car. Then I'm going to put the engine in and then connect them together. That's the way I should have did it in the first place. All right, I got one more to go. This lower one. And the transmission will be in, then I gotta bolt in the mount. So I guess I got three more. There's nowhere I can really put the camera, so. Now the engine and transmission are in. Now I can get someone over here to help me put this hood on. It wasn't pretty. Show you guys my mess ups and stuff. I don't care. So yeah, engine's in, transmission's in. Now I can get the hood on, and now I can get back to what I was doing with this fender. So I'll see you guys next Sunday.